Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business ad visual direction using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an ad image. I pause because ads guide attention. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I open Puppet Warp. I place pins to subtly shift body direction toward the headline. I move slowly. Business ads need intention, not exaggeration. I lock background areas with control pins. I zoom in and check edges. I apply the warp and zoom out. The subject now directs focus naturally. Puppet Warp